Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this flower is ash gourd flower. So often carried by birds, winds and often or mixed in a compost. Once it finds a moist soil and regular water, like from a sprinkler, it can thrive quickly. Its flowers are quite shrinking, large, white and delicate, usually open in the morning. They are also important because they attract pollinators, which later helps the plant set fruit. You can see the tiny ash gourd. The peacock is walking gracefully in the arecanut garden. Its colorful features shine in the sunlight, and the tall trees give it shade and safety. The calm surrounding makes the garden look even more beautiful as bird moves around peacefully. The vegetable I am holding is ash gourd, so its outer layer is ash-like structure is found. It also helps the ash gourd to have long shelf life.